This is about listening. Do we still have the time to listen? To listen to everything around us, to listen to nature, to listen to birds, to listen to the trees, to nature, to wind, to the sun, to the sea, to oceans. By listening, you become in contact with the self. You recognize yourself. You can recognize yourself in everything that is around you. And much of what we see is an illusion in form, but it has its own essence, its own self. And if you can make contact from yourself to the self of a tree, of a bird, or somebody else, then you will recognize it. It's called love. Love is a big part of our essence. If you look into the eyes of somebody, then it can happen that you fall right away in the depth of this person and you feel a connection, a deep connection between yourself and this person. And what you recognize is the self, is what you are made of. And everything around you, everything in this world is connected. It is connected through consciousness. And everything has its own consciousness, the self. And by looking for consciousness, by looking for the self, by looking and listening to everything around you, you will meet yourself. You will meet part of yourself, part of the bigger idea. And in reality, you are a drop in the ocean. You cannot describe the ocean by leaving out a drop. Every drop has its